Thank you.
So many kids that just they're not motivated. And I don't know how to motivate them. So if you can do that.
Hi, my name is Kelly Morgan. I'm a work-based learning coordinator at Grantsville High School. What motivated me to want to have Christian come and be our motivational speaker at our Step It Up Assembly is I know his story, and I've actually read some things and watched some of his videos on YouTube about where he came from. It's an amazing story. And I just want the students at Grantsville High School to hear his story and to know that if he can overcome what he has overcome in the world and have that much motivation, then the students at Grantsville High School and hopefully the entire Tooele County School District and maybe someday the whole state of Utah can learn from Christian and his stories and take it to heart, and it'll help them with their life.
Say thank you so much for inviting me here today so we can have a conversation. I believe that some of you here today are going to be Harvard graduates. Who wants to go to Harvard? Okay, so a lot of you here all have a different whys, but I believe that there's going to be a great leader among you guys, and maybe what I have to share with them would actually help inspire them to not give up, because times are going to be hard. I was born, raised up in a three-house village. First time in my life I've been to school, I was 17 years old. You guys have everything. All you need is motivation, the determination, and the greatness. Maybe you're sitting in this room, you're feeling like you're failing AP tests, you're feeling like your friends are making fun of you. You're feeling like you don't fit in here. You're feeling like you can't do anything good. So if you're sitting in this room thinking that you don't belong, you belong here. All you got to do is to step up to your why. When I came to Utah, I couldn't even go to school because I could hardly understand the basics of education. They mentioned something GED. I still don't know what it is, so don't ask me the definition of GED. Even today, 5 times I tried to take the test and I failed because I've never had the chance. So when you show up and you say, well, I don't like my teacher, so I'm not going to do the school, I'm telling you, son of a French toast, don't do that.
I learned that no matter how many times you get pushed down, to always come back up and succeed in life, and you can achieve your goals and accomplish more than you think.
My name is Izzy. I learned that no matter what happens, if you just have a positive attitude and you work hard, you can do anything.